Wisconsin Shoe Guy here. Today we're going to do an unboxing of these shoes, which are Willow grain leather from Meermin.
Welcome to the Wisconsin Shoe Guy YouTube channel. Here we discuss all types of things about dress shoes. We have unboxing videos. We talk about general shoe knowledge so that you understand some of the finer intricacies of how shoes are made. And then we have worth the price videos where we actually do a shoe review, try to get into detail with both qualitative and quantitative things. Then we'll do shoe battles, comparing shoe to shoe. Then I also have the opportunity to interview experts in the field.
Check out my playlists to see all my videos.
Hey everyone, this is Wisconsin Shoe Guy. I'm pointing out today, this is a group that I am an admin for on Facebook called Meermin Enthusiasts. This is a really cool group where we get together and we talk about Meermin shoes and different aspects of the brand, as well as questions on sizing. If you ever have questions, feel free to look us up and give us a shout.
Welcome back. Today we're going to do an unboxing. This is a pair of Meermin 101.596, which is in the split toe variety. This is with Willow dark brown. And I custom ordered these shoes. I wanted to compare them. This is the new Meermin bags and just the canvas online. These shoes are the only shoes that I could get in Willow grain that is going to be similar to a Crockett and Jones Balfour, which is the only other shoe I've seen on the market in this beautiful grain. So as we take a look at the grain here, and you can see the shine in my lights, but it's here, hopefully that shows. It's a very unique kind of grain, kind of willowy, which is why I think it's like that. So if you compare this to like a hatch grain or a pebble grain or even a Russian grain, the view of it is really different. It's very different than Utah calf. It's not square. It's just a very unique grain. And this has been a year that I've really been focusing on texture. I opted to get these with JR soles, which cost quite a bit extra because I did those as part of the custom program. So I waited, but I just didn't want another pair with rubber soles. And I wanted to have something that I could compare to the hand grade line at Crockett and Jones. And really, my goal here is to be able to show, when you do decide that you want to spend the kind of money that is there for like a Crockett and Jones, what are you getting? What are you getting for the difference, right? These shoes, if you get them with the rubber soles, are $200. That's a pretty darn big difference than the $1,000 you would spend if you decide to get the Crockett and Jones hand grade line. Now, that may be worth it. It may not be, but this was the first step in my journey to see how that goes. So I will wear these. I will shine them up. I'll take care of them for a little while, and then as it flows into my acquisition plan, I will pick up the Crockett and Jones version and do a comparison for all of you. Thank you so much for watching.